Is it the right time to buy or sell Zomedica stock? Let's find out in this video as we dive deep into Zomedica. We've already published an initial report on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on the notification bell. We'll keep you informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 29, 2023, our system has identified Zomedica as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.43. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a decline of -0.24%. This means it has been averaging a daily loss of -0.12% since being labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a significant downward trend in the short term. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential -2.10% change expected in the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from -12.37% to 11.87%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -22.02% change over the next year. The potential return during this period ranges from -32.24% to 8.72%. This suggests that the stock price could range from $0.114 to $0.183 after a year. Our latest update for Zomedica brings some important news. Red day on Thursday for Zomedica. On Thursday, November 30, 2023, the Zomedica stock price experienced a decrease of 0.238%, dropping from $0.168 to $0.168. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 2.91%, ranging from a low of $0.165 to a high of $0.170. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a decrease of 0.06%. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 97,000 shares on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. This could potentially serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 2 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of $340.33 thousand. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Zomedica stock was $0.335, while the lowest was $0.150. Currently, the price sits 49.85% below the 52-week high at $0.167, and 94.36% below the all-time high on June 22, 2018, when the price reached $2.98. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 6, 2023, it was reported that Dawson James gave ZOM a buy grade with an initialize action. On Monday, November 16, 2020, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright gave ZOM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Zomedica stock a general neutral rating. They rate the P/E ratio as buy and the price to book as buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, let's take a closer look at Zomedica's signals and what they mean for the stock. Firstly, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, November 16, 2023, resulting in a rise of 2.82% so far. This indicates that the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is found. However, there are also some negative signals that we need to consider. The Zomedica stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $0.171 and $0.171. If the stock breaks above these levels, it may issue buy signals. Furthermore, we currently have a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that Zomedica gained volume on the last day, but on falling prices. This is called divergence and may serve as an early warning. In some cases, increasing volume on falling prices may be considered positive, but that is mainly in typical sell-offs. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator is showing a sell signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands are suggesting a buy signal 18 days ago. The short-term moving average has generated a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average is also indicating a sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages has shown a buy signal 2 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average has generated a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average is also indicating a sell signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages has shown a buy signal 74 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Today, let's talk about Zomedica, and specifically about its support, risk, and stop-loss levels. Zomedica currently finds support from accumulated volume at $0.166. This is an important level to watch because it may present a buying opportunity. Typically, when a support level is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. It's worth noting that Zomedica has average movements during the day, which means it's not an extremely volatile stock. With good trading volume, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be medium. Looking at the recent price action, we can see that in the last day, the stock moved $0.0048 between its high and low, indicating a 2.91% change. This gives us an idea of the stock's daily volatility. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 4.52%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Zomedica, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial factor to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for even established companies to face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, consistent negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 13, 2024. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Zomedica. If we see an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $0.170 for Zomedica. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before jumping in. However, for those who already have a position, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Zomedica encounters a decline, look for its first support level at $0.166. If this support level holds, it could serve as a great entry point, as we might expect a rebound in the stock price. The average rating for Zomedica from multiple analysts is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On November 17, 2023, Powers Johnny D conducted an insider buy of 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On November 17, 2023, Heaton Larry C2 conducted an insider buy of 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On November 15, 2023, Powers Johnny D conducted an insider buy of 150,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On November 7, 2023, Class Russell Kevin conducted an insider buy of 2 million shares of option to buy common stock. On November 7, 2023, Class Russell Kevin conducted an insider buy of 2 million shares of option to buy common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 98.133. Overall, insiders purchased 96,287,495 shares and sold 11,022,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Zomedica stock a good investment? Unfortunately, Zomedica currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a significant downward trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Zomedica is overvalued. For trading on Friday, December 1st, we anticipate Zomedica to open down $0.0003 and begin trading at $0.168. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and assume full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. We would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe if you find our content helpful. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.